Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to navigate the Bright dashboard. Getting comfortable with the Bright dashboard is the first step towards mastering your financial journey. Let's walk through it together. First, open the Bright app and log into your account. You're going to land on the main dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your financial status. At the top, you'll see your account balance and any active goals or saving plan. Swipe left or right to navigate between different account views, like spending insights, linked bank balances, and credit usage. Below that, you'll find recent transactions showing a snapshot of your latest spending activities. Tap on View All to open your full transaction history and use filters for easy tracking. Next, check the Quick Action section. This is where you can transfer money, schedule payments, or set up savings with just a tap. At the bottom of the screen, the navigation bar gives you access to all key features, such as home of your dashboard, accounts to manage bank links, goals for your financial plans, insights to review spending patterns, and settings to customize the app. Now you know exactly where everything is and how to use it. If this helped you get more comfortable with Bright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.